Hey folks, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do another cassava recipe, Yuca recipe, right? We are doing cassava fries today. So as the name says, it's quite simple, right? We're using the cassava root here. Last video I showed you how to cut it up. So it's the same process to cut it up. Just cut off the end. Just going to cut off the end. Make sure your knife is sharp enough. So I'm going to cut and peel. I'm going to cut it into 3 pieces like I did before, and then I'm going to peel these pieces. So here's my cassava peeled and washed. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to just cut them up. I'm just going to simply cut down the center of each piece, and then cut each half into another half. And then I'm going to put the whole set in a pot of water to boil. I'm just going to allow the cassava to cook a bit, and then the next step will be to fry. The step after boiling will be to fry them. You can move the stem right now, but what I will do after they are boiled, I'll remove the stem because it'll be easier to move it then. So I'll be back. So here's the cassava boiling. I'll just go through and see because some of the bottom I already cooked, so I'll just take out these. I'll put them on a paper plate for the excess water to dry off. Because we're going to fry them, we don't really want them to have too much water. Okay, so here's my cassava that was boiled a bit. Don't let it boil too much because you don't want it to get mashed up like how this got mashed up a bit. But yeah, so now it is all cooled, I'm going to remove the center, the vein from pieces. Like you see, I'm from the veiny center here. Just remove that. That was easy enough. And just put that aside. Whatever you can see visibly, remove that. The big piece here, remove that. And yeah, so on to the next step. This will be so good, guys, so good. Okay, so here's my pot on the stove. I'm going to, as I said, we're going to fry the pieces of cassava. I have my fire on medium heat. What I did was I tried and cut some of the bigger pieces of cassava into smaller pieces. As long as they're not breaking up, you can make attempt to do that. The objective is to get them golden brown right around. So here our fries coming along nicely, lovely color. So I'm just going to take them out and put them in a plate lined with some paper towel, and put some more to fry. Next, I'm going to sprinkle a bit of salt on the cassava fries. You don't really have to, but you know, you can if you wish. They're so crunchy and, you know, delicious, addictive. Yeah.